In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ServiceNow with Jira. Whether you're a project manager, a developer, or anyone who needs to streamline workflows between these two powerful platforms, this guide will help you connect them seamlessly. First, let's navigate to the left panel of your Jira dashboard and click on Apps. This is where you'll manage all your add-ons and plugins, which can extend the functionality of your Jira instance. Next, select Explore More Apps. This option will take you to the marketplace where you can discover a variety of applications designed to boost your productivity by integrating with third-party services like ServiceNow. Once you're in the marketplace, use the search bar to type ServiceNow. This will bring up a list of several apps, each offering a unique way to connect ServiceNow and Jira. Each app comes with its own set of features, and this variety can be very helpful if you have specific requirements or workflows in mind. Take your time to browse through them and consider factors like app capabilities, user interface, supported integration, bidirectional functionality, and, of course, user reviews. These reviews can provide valuable insights into other users' experiences and any potential issues you might encounter. After you've reviewed your options and identified the app that best matches your needs, click on it to go to its dedicated app page. Here, you'll find a detailed overview of the app's functionality and all the features it brings to the table. Ensuring that the app does what you need it to do before adding it to your system will save you a lot of time in the long run. Once you've decided on the right app, select either Install or Try it for free, whichever option is available. It's always a good idea to opt for a free trial if available, as it gives you a chance to explore the app's integration capabilities before making a financial commitment. During the installation process, follow the prompts carefully. Most applications will guide you step by step through the setup process. This typically involves authorizing the integration by entering your credentials so that the two services can communicate securely with each other. Make sure to follow all installation instructions provided by the app to properly set up the integration. This might include configuring specific settings in both Jira and ServiceNow to facilitate seamless communication between them. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated ServiceNow with Jira, streamlining your workflow and enhancing productivity. Keep in mind that while the integration process itself is straightforward, be prepared to tweak settings or retry some steps based on your organization's unique setup and needs. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your ServiceNow and Jira